Hi guys, what I have here today is a 2025 Next Gen Raptor in that cobalt blue, and what you notice, we have done a lot of upgrades. On the front of this Raptor, we have removed the original bumper and placed its Atlas Series bull bar. It is a full bumper replacement, no cutting or trimming involved. And as you notice, you can see that the Hammer logo is in this aqua color. It is standard in red. This has been customized, and the bash plate is normally standard in red as well. This does come standard with the daytime running indicator and fog lights. Now you see these 4 lights in the front. That is the Steady Evo quad pack. If you want that bright light, we can do that. This bar has been customized to accommodate that. So this bar does wrap nicely with the car on the sides, on the fronts, finishes with those flares perfectly. We do relocate all the sensors and the sonar from the original bumper into the car so that all work as standard. There's no issues on that end. It does have number plate flip if you are running a winch. So there's easy access, you can use your winch easily, there's no hassle around it. So on the bonnet, we do have these custom brackets with the Steady C4 cube lights, and these lights actually do have a blue cover. Just finished off nicely, especially with this color of the car. And what I like over here, we do have the GME radio. This radio is actually fitted to a nice bracket that goes underneath that side mirror. And the side mirror does still open and close without interfering with how it operates. And just finished off nicely if you don't want anything in your way on the front of the car here. You'll notice that this car has actually been lifted 2 inches on the front and back. What we've done, we've got the Dobson's Aqua coils to lift it up. We don't touch the original Fox suspension. And on top of that, we do have the 17-inch Marvel graphite gray wheels with the Yokohama all-terrain tires. This bad boy is a 4-inch stainless steel Snorkel by Fat Bar. We do go into the side of the car to fit this into that airbox. And when you put your foot down, it has that nice sound. It really opens up that car more. Let's open that bonnet and check out what's inside. Under the hood, everything looks pretty standard as a wood factory. The only major difference is that this water box you normally use for your wipers has changed. It is a proper steel box now. So that is one thing we do modify if you are getting a Snorkel like this. If you haven't noticed yet, this vehicle is all about the lighting. On the top here, we do have the 36 Elite by Laser Lamps. Very, very bright light. Goes nicely with the Steady on the front of the car. And if we go to the side, we do also have the Steady Micro Touch. Now with this Micro Touch, you do have the option for white light and that amber light, and you always use that amber light when you're out and about camping and you don't want those mosquitoes. On top of that, these are all mounted to the Hammer flat rack. Nice low profile, doesn't take up too much space, and a lot less wind noise compared to our competitors. We do have the MaxLiner Canopy on the back, which is also the same cobalt blue, matches up nicely to the car. We do have some more cube lights from Steady on the roof of this as well. And if you go to the side over here, that Raptor logo has been custom colored with that aqua color to match the rest of the car, the rest of that theme. So we did remove that original bumper at the back. We have replaced with the Nova Series rear bar. It does come standard with the 3.5 ton rated towing. Ultimate shackles has been custom color coded as well. And you notice the way this bar sits nicely with the car, the exhausts actually do look more aftermarket than it would originally with the original bumper on there. There we have it. This Next Gen Raptor is completed. This was done in actually Dandenong South here in Melbourne. If there's something you want done to your vehicle, come down, check us out and see what we can do.